Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cute bear. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. And let's start. Please grab your marker. And what I'm going to do is pretty big arch like this. And that's going to be like our bear's head and body. Something like this. There we go. That's beautiful. Now let's add the ears. Inner ear and the same on the other side. Like this. Now let's draw the eyes. Add like one circle, then another circle here. Let's add a nose. Beautiful. And we want to add like a smile. Here we go. Now let's add imagine like a drop. There you go. That's good. Something like this. Very cute. Now what I want is my bear will be eating honey. But before that, actually, why don't we do the eyes? And we also can color the nose. I'm just going to leave a little bit of white. Very nice. So my bear will be eating honey. So here I'm going to draw like that. And he will be holding, my bear will be holding like maybe a jar or something else with honey. So I'm going to draw like this. Here, good. Here you go. Here we go. We can even draw a bee here. That's cute. That's good. Now let's finish with the body. So I'm gonna add. That's good. And we can even do like this, and that's we're gonna later on color it yellow. So the bear's kind of this pile was in the jar already. So that's beautiful. And one final touch, let's add another arch here, almost like an arch. Here we go. Something like this. That's cute. If you want, but also we can add a few bees here. That's good. Now let's add another one here. That's cute. Now we can put the marker to the side and let's grab light brown and dark brown if you have. So for the light, I'm going to use this very, very light brown, almost like that's good. Now grab pink and we can color the cheeks. continue with the brown. That's great. Now grab a darker shade of brown. Now grab the yellow and let's color this area here, and let's color the honey, and you can pick any color you want for the jar. I think I'm gonna use this beautiful purple color. Now that when this is done, grab yellow and let's color the bees here. And you can draw as many bees as you want. Maybe like you have just 2 like me, maybe you have like 5. So you decide how many you want. That's beautiful. And when that part is done, let's add some more like details for the bear. So I'm using like dark brown. There you go. And now in his belly, I'm gonna use the same tone I was using here. I'm just randomly like drawing some lines. It's cute. Now, when that's done, I just want to add like some colorful dots to the background to make it nice and happy looking. You decide, maybe you want like different colors, so maybe this blue color that you're using, or pink or green, so you decide. I think it's very cute like this. You can be done with like the colors and everything. I think I want to add one more bee, just looking at the design itself. So I'm gonna use like, I'm gonna add one here. So I'm gonna add the eye, the smile. My bees are super nice and happy. Let's add the wings. There you go. And I'm gonna color it yellow as well. Perfect. And now it's all done. Thank you so much for doing this project with me. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.